Hello dear lovers, you're welcome to another edition of House of Love. If you're new here, you're welcome, and you're watching House of Love, where we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So feel free to strike on the red subscribe button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple plain okra. Let's go straight to the point. So for the ingredients, we have some beef, cow leg which has been seasoned and well cooked, smoked fish, crayfish, okra, onions, and palm oil. Oh, and of course we have some ginger, garlic, and pepper in the mortar. So these are the ingredients we will be using to make this simple plain okra soup. Alright, so I have my beef in the pot and I'm going to season it with Maggie and salt and with some onions, and then I'll cover it for it to cook without adding any water. I'm going to cover it for it to cook for about 5 minutes. So while it's cooking, I'm pounding my ginger, garlics, and pepper. I always love to pound it while cooking okra. I don't like to blend it. So after about 5 minutes, I checked on the pot. Now I'm going to add some water and cover it to cook again for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I'll add my smoked fish, crayfish. Like I earlier said, I always love to add my crayfish earlier because this Chinese crayfish is very much different from our Cameroon crayfish. And I'll cover for it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after that, I'm going to add my cow leg, which has been well seasoned and cooked with the stock. I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to add my pounded pepper, ginger, and garlics. And after that, I'm going to add my palm oil. This palm oil is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm oil. So now I'm going to cover the pot for it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to have a taste. If anything is lacking, like Maggie or salt, I'm going to adjust, but here nothing is lacking because all the stuff, the meat and the cow leg had been well seasoned. So now I'm going to add my okra. I added a pinch of salt and onions to the okra before adding it in the pot. So okra doesn't really take that much to get ready. So in about 3 to 5 minutes, your okra is ready. My god, this stuff is so, as usual, right? It's so divine. It's delicious. It's super yummy. So I'll be eating this okra with my oatmeal swallow. This swallow is very healthy, trust me. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this oatmeal swallow maybe in my next video. Guys, just take a look at this okra. Look at it. You can imagine how it would taste. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video, and you guys should have a blessed day. Goodbye, my lovers. And please do not forget to subscribe while leaving and turn on the notification bell. See you.